A political storm erupted in West Bengal after Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee intervened during an Enforcement Directorate raid on January 8. The ED was conducting searches at premises linked to IPAC, a political consultancy firm closely associated with Trinamool Congress, as part of money laundering investigation connected to an alleged coal smuggling scam. According to officials, raids were carried out at 10 locations, 6 in West Bengal and 4 in Delhi, linked to a 2020 CBI case against a coal syndicate led by Anup Majhi, also known as Lala. The case alleges that Majhi illegally excavated coal from the eastern coalfields leasehold areas around Asansol in Paschim Bardhaman and laundered the proceeds through financial transactions facilitated by a Hawala operator. Tens of crores of rupees reportedly made their way to Indian PAC Consultancy Private Limited, the registered company of IPAC. IPAC serves as a key political consultancy for the Trinamool Congress, assisting the party in strategizing and managing election campaigns through data-driven voter outreach and campaign planning. During the raid, the ED claimed that Mamata Banerjee interfered with the operation by entering the premises and allegedly removing key evidence, including physical documents and electronic devices. Banerjee also arrived at the residence of IPAC chief Pratik Jain during the ED raid on January 8. In response, Banerjee rejected the allegations, insisting that she was acting in her capacity as TMC chairperson and not as a chief minister. She further accused the ED of being used as a political tool by the BJP, claiming the raid aimed to seize her party's internal strategy. Additionally, she alleged that senior BJP leaders, including Union Home Minister Amit Shah, had benefited from the alleged coal scam proceeds. The BJP countered sharply, calling Mamata's actions unethical and unconstitutional and accused her of obstructing a lawful investigation.
बंगाल के करप्शन में कोई भी सीबीआई या ईडी का इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं होने देंगी, क्योंकि हर जगह उनके सिस्टम के पांव हैं. और मैं क्या कहूंगा, एवरीवेयर देयर इज अ फुटप्रिंट ऑफ ममता जी's ecosystem implicating all of them. Therefore there is a scare. हम इसकी बहुत भर्त्सना करते हैं.
The confrontation escalated on January 9 when Mamata led a 10-kilometer long protest march in Kolkata, drawing thousands of supporters and signaling a strong political pushback against the central agency's action.
बंद करो, बंद करो, बंद करो, लोकतंत्र का अंदर बंद करो, ईडी का दुरुपयोग बंद करो, ईडी का दुरुपयोग बंद करो, ईडी का दुरुपयोग बंद करो, बंद करो, बंद करो, ईडी को डकायत बीजेपी से ही आराम से चलो, आराम से चलो, आराम से जाना. जीतेंगे जो भी कर ले, इस बीजेपी को हम हरा के रखेंगे, जो भी